Welcome to the C#.NET interview question video series on my Sitecore diaries. Today's question is, what is the flow of requests in an MVC application? Let's explore the answer to this question together.
So let's see a flow diagram of MVC. So when you browse any MVC URL, it will be like this. You have your domain and you will have a controller / action. So when you browse this URL, how does the this flows? Okay, so how does it flows from browser to controller to model to view to again back to the browser? That we will see now. Okay, so when browser sends a request, it passes to the controller. So it identifies what is the controller and it executes that controller action. Okay, so controller executes the business logic and forms a data model. So it creates a data model. Okay, so it passes to the controller and controller executes the controller goes to their controller action. The request goes to the controller action get executed, and that will execute the business logic, and it creates the model. Okay, so this model is passed to the corresponding view. Okay, so the model is created and that model is given to the view. Okay, now view, what does view create? Does that view creates the HTML. Now which view to that is also decided by the controller. Okay, so controller does two things. First, it create the model. Okay, and then that model he passes to the corresponding the appropriate view. Okay, and that view creates basically your HTML output, and that HTML output is given back to the browser, and that browser displays the HTML output. So this is how it flows. Like in ASP.NET, we have the page life cycle, but here this is how the request goes. Here first we get the browser sends request to the controller execute the controller action, and it create the model, okay, for the view, and then decides which view needs to be displayed. So this model is passed to the view, and then view creates the HTML, and that HTML is given back to the browser. So this is how the MVC request flows.
Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like a more detailed explanation, please check out our complete video. The link is provided on the screen. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell.